Are you spending countless hours on application only to feel like you are getting nowhere? Have you faced rejections after rejections despite your best efforts but don't know where to apply for government jobs at all? Not sure where to start or which position you are even eligible for? This is the video we are going to clearly understand how to apply for government jobs in detail, step by step. So if you are watching my video for the first time, let me introduce me to you. I am Sangeeta Santosh Balaji, a job search strategist and a career coach with 5+ years of global work experience. I have trained 500 plus working professionals and achieved a salary hike of 100% to 200% through my training. If you wanted to achieve the same, join my webinar. Link in the description box. Let's now understand some of the advantages of government jobs and why it is on demand. First, job security. Government jobs offer unparalleled job security compared to the private sector jobs. Second, once hired, employees are less likely to be laid off, providing a stable and predictable career path. Third, attractive benefits. Government positions often come with comprehensive benefits and packages including health insurance, retirement plans, paid holidays, and generous leave policies. These benefits contribute to overall financial and personal well-being. Work-life balance. Government jobs typically adhere to standard work-life balance, allowing employees to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Flexible working hours and telecommunication options are also increasingly available. Competitive salaries. Many government job offers that match or exceed those in the private sector, especially when considering the additional benefits and job security. Regular pay rise and step increases, further enhancing earning potential in government jobs. Opportunities for advancement. Government career offers career paths for advancement through structured promotion system. Employees can often take advantages of training programs, professional development opportunities, and internal job posting to climb the career ladder. Now, let's understand how to apply for government jobs in government job portals. Let's get started. Now, let's go to Google and now let's understand how to search for government jobs and how to apply government jobs in official government portal. Go to Google and type all govt jobs.in. Then you will be displayed with the first link, that is all government jobs dash Sarkari Naukri India's best government job sites. You got to click this. Once you click that, it will take you to this landing page wherein you can see various jobs that is going to be displayed in different field, in the field of medical, engineering, law, finance, nurse, pharmacy, dental, aviation, naval, hotel management, sports, architecture, ITI/diploma, arts, agriculture, teacher training, and any degree. So this website also displays you jobs wherein like people who are passed out after 10th standard or 12th standard, or people who are looking to work in their different domain. So as I studied in engineering, let me see what are the job opportunities that is being displayed for me in government job portal. So I'm choosing engineering. So once you click that engineering, you will be directed to this landing page. So if you see, there are various jobs that is being displayed right now. See,
For all students in India who have a dream to become an engineer and work in the government sector, government jobs for engineering is the best match. The central government of India has announced total 8987 vacancies. Please see, 8987 vacancies for people who like to give government job examinations. See, if you wanted to land a government job, few jobs, the requirement is you have to attend the government job examination. For few government jobs alone, there will not be need to attend examinations. And people who are coming under the SC, ST, or tribal community, applications will be mostly free without cost. But other people should pay approximate 100 or more. So each and every job post will be displayed with these specifications. So now let's understand what are all the jobs that is being displayed for an engineering candidate in government portal. So if you see, they have clearly mentioned the posted date. Okay, so 20th June 2024, organization is NIT Trichy. Post detail, junior research fellow job. So that is 01 post. That is like one post. And education qualification for this position, which will be accepted, is BE, BTech, electrical, electronics, and communication, BE and MTech. And then you can click apply now. So on 27 June 2024, IIT Bombay, a government job is there is a vacancy in government job. Senior project manager job, that is one post is available. So education of the candidate who are qualified to apply is BE, BTech, ME, and MTech. So there are various jobs. So if you see 27 June 2024, Anna University, project associate jobs. There are 7 posts, 7 vacancies for Anna University. The qualification for a candidate to apply is BE, BTech, Civil, ME, and MTech. So let's go to this job post and let's click apply. So now it clearly explains. I mean, like once you go to that job post, see the salary range is from 20,000 to 28,000 and the location is Tamil Nadu. And there are 7 vacancies and the place wherein you will be working if you are selected is Anna University. See, Anna University is one of the prestigious university in Tamil Nadu and working out there is actually a dream for many. Anna University has clearly mentioned their requirement. Anna University has invited applicants who are qualified with the ME MTech who can grab this opportunity and apply offline for the project associate role. And there are 7 vacancies in Anna University. Candidates who meet the eligibility criteria can visit the official website and apply for the Anna University recruitment job. So they have given the link also, wherein you can click here and you can also apply to in this job portal too. So Anna University also has given specific criteria and clarity. Okay, it invites applicants who are qualified with ME and MTech degree only and in the role of project associate. And there are 7 vacancies. And you can also apply in their recruitment website. They had given a link for Anna University recruitment also. And candidates should also send the application form to the address along with the relevant document on or before the last date. And be very cautious. All the job portals in government jobs, okay, any jobs that is being displayed in government portal has an end date. So be cautious and submit your applications before that end date. If you submit after that, your application will be rejected in just few seconds. Now, if we go here, they have given in detail, wherein like age limit for this role is minimum age is 21 years. People with the minimum age of 21 years can apply. And selection process is interview. And pay scale, minimum salary is 20,000 per month, maximum salary is 28,000 per month. Application fee, see, no application fee. See, as I said, few of the government jobs has, government exams. Few of the government jobs doesn't have any government exams. So this is one of the unique job wherein like it is having only interview, direct one-on-one interview. And application fee is also zero. And how to apply for AU recruitment for 2024, they have given in detail also. Visit the official website of the Anna University. Go to the career page or recruitment. Click on the notification for project associate 1 and 2 jobs. Check the latest date before applying. Scroll down, click on the apply link, fill out the application form without any mistakes. Click on submit. Send the application form along with the relevant documents to address Dr. S. Arun Chelvan, Associate Professor and Head Principal Investigator, Department of Media Science, CEG Campus, Anna University, Chennai. And important dates. See, application starting date is 15/06/2024. Application last date is 30/06/2024. And now, here is the task. If you are applying for this position, please apply now. Apply before 30th of this month. And to get official notification, you can click here. And to join the WhatsApp group, you can click here. And to join the Telegram group, you can click here and join too. See, and one more important trick which I am saying you is any job, if you wanted to get placed and if you want to beat the competition of hundreds of applications, the answer is networking and referral. See, the person who's gonna view your application, if you post for this, if you apply for this job role, is the Arul Selvan. So copy this Arul Selvan, Associate Professor and Head Principal Investigator. Okay, copy this and go to Google and paste this. Now you will be getting his LinkedIn profile. Arul Chelvan Sriram, Associate Professor. Go to his LinkedIn profile. So this is the man who is gonna hire you. So if you see, you have got now, one of the important trick is the person who's gonna view your application is Dr. S. Arun Chelvan, Associate Professor and Head of Principal Investigator. And copy this person's name. And now go to Google. Paste his name here. Now, Google will display you his LinkedIn profile. Click his LinkedIn profile. And now, if you see, you have got his LinkedIn profile, send him a message that you send him a message that you are applying for the specific job role and click the follow button. Okay. And one more thing, I again repeat, send him the message by clicking here and then click the follow button and then connect with this person stating that you have applied for this role and you're very much interested with it. So for the template, that, so now you will be having a question. What message I need to send him? So for that, let's go to ChatGPT. Now type here, I wanted to send a note to Arun Chelvan, Associate Professor and Head of Principal Investigator in Anna University. I am very much interested apply for the role. The role name is Project Associate 1 and 2. Say that I am a perfect fit for the role, and I also wanted to inform him that I have applied for this role in all government jobs dot in. So now ChatGPT will craft an amazing note that you can send to Arunachal, that you can send to this person who's a direct recruiter. So see, dear Dr. S. Arun Selvan, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to express my keen interest in the project associate position at Anna University under your esteemed guidance. With a solid background in the field relevant, I believe I'm a perfect fit for this role. My previous experience have equipped me with the necessary skills and knowledge to contribute effectively to your ongoing project. Additionally, I would like to inform you that I have applied for this role in the official government job portal. Thank you for considering my application. I'm eager to bring my expertise and enthusiasm to find the team and contribute to the innovation work being conducted at Anna University. And if you are a fresher, you have to craft the prompt like this. Copy this prompt, copy, craft as I am a fresher who is applying for this role. Now, if you see, chat will display you a note specifying that you are interested to apply for this role as a fresher. Dr. S. Arun Chelvan. I hope this message finds well. I'm writing to express my keen interest in project associate role position at Anna University under your esteemed guidance. As a recent graduate with a degree in from your university, I am eager to begin my career and believe that this role is a perfect fit for my skills and aspirations. Throughout my academic journey, I have gained a solid foundation in relevant subjects and skills, and I'm confident that my fresh perspective and enthusiasm will be valuable to your team. I am particularly drawn to this opportunity as it aligns perfectly with my career goals and offers a platform to contribute to cutting edge research. Additionally, I would like to inform you that I have applied for this role through the official website government job portal governmentjob.in. Thank you for considering my application. I'm excited about the possibility of working under your guidance and contributing to the innovation work at Anna University. Warm regards. Your full name and your contact information and email ID is must. Always remember, call to action is must whenever you send the LinkedIn note.